Welcome back to another exciting deep dive into the world of groundbreaking technology. Today, we're focusing on a revolutionary tool that's capturing the attention of filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators across the globe, the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This powerful little camera is shaping up to become one of the most advanced compact video tools on the market. With rumors and leaks fueling the hype, it's time to explore what makes this upcoming release such a major step forward for mobile videography. A pocket-sized powerhouse for content creation, the Osmo Pocket 4 is designed for creators who need power and precision on the move. DJI has remained committed to the essence of the Pocket series, portability. However, this isn't just a smaller version of its predecessors. It's smarter, stronger, and significantly more capable. Early reports suggest the Pocket 4 will be slightly larger than its predecessor to accommodate enhanced internal hardware, yet it still weighs just 190 grams. This ultra-lightweight design makes it ideal for creators who need a reliable filming companion that doesn't weigh them down. Improved display for better visibility and control. A major upgrade expected in the Osmo Pocket 4 is its display. Rumors point to a larger 2.5-inch OLED rotating touchscreen with a resolution of 480/800 pixels and a brightness rating of 800 nits. This vivid, responsive screen is not only ideal for precise framing and menu navigation, but also remains clearly visible under direct sunlight. Whether you're shooting in the golden hour or under the midday sun, this display will help you maintain control over your shots effortlessly. Enhanced ergonomics for a superior handheld experience. When it comes to handling, DJI appears to have listened to user feedback. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a newly contoured grip designed for extended handheld use. Button placement has reportedly been rethought for easier one-handed operation, which is perfect for vloggers who are constantly capturing life in motion. This improved ergonomic design is expected to make the device feel more natural and secure during prolonged filming sessions. Next-level color and HDR for cinematic results color science is another area where DJI is expected to deliver. The Osmo Pocket 4 may support 10-bit color depth and full HDR video recording, giving creators more dynamic range and vibrant visuals straight out of the camera. For professionals and enthusiasts who want to elevate their color grading workflow, this means more data to work with in post-production and a noticeable step up in visual fidelity. Incredible slow-motion performance at 4K slow-motion videography has become a staple for storytelling, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is raising the bar. While its predecessor was capable of shooting 4K at 120 frames per second, the Pocket 4 is rumored to double that capability, potentially reaching 240 frames per second in 4K. This kind of high frame rate recording opens the door for dramatic, cinematic slow-motion sequences, whether you're capturing a waterfall in motion or the energy of a bustling city street. Stable footage with advanced gimbal and stabilization. Techno handheld camera is complete without exceptional stabilization, and DJI is known for leading the industry in this area. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to come with an enhanced 3-axis mechanical gimbal, reinforced with improved electronic stabilization algorithms. This combination should ensure butter-smooth footage, even when you're moving fast or filming in challenging conditions. Whether you're hiking, biking, or exploring busy urban environments, you can trust the Pocket 4 to deliver shake-free results, AI-driven tracking and fast, reliable autofocus. Another standout feature likely to debut in the Pocket 4 is DJI's Active Track 7.0, an advanced AI-powered subject tracking system. Combined with phase detection autofocus, this system will allow the camera to lock onto moving subjects with remarkable accuracy. You won't have to worry about focus hunting or losing track of your subject mid-shot. This is especially useful for solo content creators who need the camera to do the heavy lifting while they stay in the frame. Crystal clear audio for professional-grade sound audio has traditionally been a weak point in compact cameras, but that may be changing. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature improved audio recording and better wireless microphone compatibility. This could mean creators will be able to capture clear, professional-grade sound without relying on bulky adapters or external gear. For vloggers, interviewers, and travel content creators, this audio upgrade is a major plus. Zooming capabilities and flexible composition. While optical zoom remains uncertain, the digital zoom on the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to receive a boost in clarity and range. This will help users reframe shots or focus on distant subjects without significant loss of detail. Improved zoom features mean greater creative flexibility in situations where physical movement isn't possible, such as filming wildlife, concerts, or behind-the-scenes footage from a distance. Battery life that keeps up with you. Battery performance is a key concern for portable devices, and the Osmo Pocket 4 seems ready to address that. Thanks to improved power management and software optimization, it may offer up to 200 minutes of continuous 4K recording. That's over 3 hours of non-stop footage on a single charge. Even more impressive is the potential inclusion of fast charging, which could top up the battery in just 25 minutes, a game changer for on-the-go creators. Durability built for the outdoors for adventure seekers and travel vloggers, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to bring added toughness. While it may not be fully waterproof, it's rumored to be dust and splash resistant, making it reliable in a variety of weather conditions. From the windswept cliffs of a coastline to the dusty streets of a desert town, this compact camera is built to handle real-world challenges. Price and release expectations. If leaks hold true, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 may hit shelves by the end of 2025, with a base price of around $690. A more feature-rich creator combo package might be priced near $790, including essential accessories for those looking to get the most from their device, right out of the box. While this represents a price increase over previous models, the substantial improvements in every key area, video, audio, stabilization, and usability, make it a worthwhile investment for serious creators.